How to fix lower back pain in just 5 minutes every single day. Wow, what a claim. Surely he can't be meaning my lower back pain. The back pain that's been going on for the last 20 years. I've tried everything from surgery to injections to painkillers to physiotherapists to even chiropractors, and I still haven't had any relief. Okay, so maybe in that case, then we are going to need some more, but these exercises are surely going to be able to help take some pressure off your back if you're doing them in the correct way. So I'm going to run you through exactly how we do these stretches at home so you can start incorporating them into your day-to-day. My name is Dr. Jeremy Andrews. I'm a doctor of chiropractic here at West Chiropractic in Surrey, and we help people with chronic back and knee pain avoid a lifetime of painkillers and surgery. And so far today, we've helped over 20,000 people in the last 7 years, and we are the highest rated Google chiropractor in the whole of the UK with over 700 5-star Google reviews. So let's get into it. 5 minutes every single day. What do you need to be doing? Okay, so this first one is going to be a take on a cobra stretch, which is, for those of you who've done yoga, you'll know the cobra stretch. We go down like this, and then we're trying to push up like that. Now, I'm not a massive advocate of this because it can put a lot of pressure on the base of your spine, and we see a lot of people really trying to push through, and it can take a lot of stress into that back. I'm more a fan of a child's pose, so sitting back like this, taking pressure off. But you see those in my previous videos. So the idea behind this one is that we actually take some pressure off the back by putting our feet on the wall. So you may want to take your shoes off, otherwise you're going to mark the wall. So I slip off my shoes. And the idea is if you've got knee pain, it shouldn't hurt too much because you're going to take some weight off. So I'm going to be like this with my legs on the wall. And the idea is I'm just trying to take some pressure off my back with some very gentle extensions like this. I'm just pushing through into the back and then coming back down. And it's actually not loading my back up too much, which you find with the cobra, it does. Whereas this is working a lot more around the hip flexor, which is a lovely way to just get some pressure off. Just pushing through like this. Now, if you are feeling more advanced, you can push up a little bit more like this and get some bend into the back. If you're feeling really brave, we can obviously come up like this, but I would not advise that if you are really struggling with lower back pain. This is if you've got more strength and stability stretch. Okay. So I would be repeating that 10 times through 3 sets. Let me just show you from the side as well. So legs like this. We're just going down and very gentle push back like that. You might want to get your knees close to the wall. And we're just pushing up gently and then coming back down. 10 repetitions. And then if you're feeling really brave, it's more up like this onto your palms and try and push your hips through, okay? Like I say, don't go all the way up if you're struggling with back pain. That's going to be more of an advanced stretch. Okay, so this one is a happy baby stretch. So like this, legs are going to be coming up like that. You can grab the knees if you like and just move from side to side and rock the knees. Try and pull the knees up into your chest. It's going to take a lot of pressure off the back and the glutes. But what you can do if you're more advanced, just trying to grab the inside of the toes like this, and then really trying to push your elbows into the knees to get some more hip stretch in there. And then we just rock from side to side very simply like this. Take some pressure off the base of your spine. There we go. So you want to hold that for 30 seconds. Try and get some movement into the base of the spine so you're rocking from side to side. It will really help if you're struggling with any hip issues and take some pressure off your back as well. So this one is great because you can use a rolled up towel just like this. And it's relatively advanced. So if you're finding that you've tried a lot of things and this ain't working, and this is a good one to do. But again, it involves putting your feet on the wall. So you want to make sure you're getting your towel underneath your back. And then it takes a lot of pressure off the hips and the knees and puts all that weight through the back. So on the towel, you can then start to move from side to side like this. And it can really help to decompress some of your spine. You can do it with one of those lacrosse balls. So you put the lacrosse ball in here, not on the spine, put it on the muscles either side. Again, that can really help to take a lot of pressure off your back. It's a lovely way to ease the pressure. And even just having your legs up like this, even if I didn't have the towel underneath, it's a great way to relieve some pressure on your back. You start to stretch the arms overhead like this. And honestly, you can be in this position for like 5-10 minutes. The key is when you get up, just make sure you get up nice and slow. So you might want to lift your bum up, take the towel or the ball out, and then just roll onto the side and slowly just push yourself up like that. That's a great way to get a lot of pressure off your back. Okay, so there you have it. Those are my top ways just in 5 minutes to get some pressure off your lower back. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Please subscribe to the channel for our regular updates every single week. As always, you can grab copies of my best-selling books, The Secret Cure to Back Pain and How to Transform Your Back. Thanks a lot. We'll see you next time.